guys, it's Lace, also known as BUHAGHAG, so welcome to my channel! So for today's video, medyo quick video lang siya because I'm going to answer some of your questions. One time when I was having coffee in the morning, I was reading all of your comments and inisip ko why not make an frequently asked questions video. So by the way, the coffee that I'm using here is Coffee Co Blanca. So you've seen it in my past videos. Coffee Co Blanca is currently my favorite coffee because it's so creamy. It's such a creamy coffee, and kahit creamy siya, lasang-lasa mo pa rin yung coffee na taste. Or if you're like me na hindi masyadong mahilig with sobrang tapang na coffee and loves creamy coffee, please check out Coffee Co Blanca. And trust me, sobrang sulit niya kasi it comes in a twin pack, mura lang siya, and masarap yung coffee niya, I swear. So lately, that's my go-to coffee. It's my favorite coffee. So please check out Coffee Co Blanca. So ito yung mga nabasa kong comments while I was having my coffee. Unahin na natin yung sobrang frequently asked question, I promise. It's how do I sleep with my hair? When I explained it on why did I quit the CGM, nagsisilk bun, silk cap, nagsisilk cap pa ako dati, and I quit that kasi nga it gave me dandruff, sobrang hindi nagustuhan ng scalp ko. So what I do now is nothing. Wala lang, I just sleep whatever sa hair ko. Wala akong ginagawa special. I don't put it in a bun kasi nga hindi ako nakakatulog. Sometimes I like twist it here, ganyan. And then I sleep. Yan, higa na ako. Pero syempre when I wake up, parang, you know, it's all over the place. Tinitame ko na lang siya. I try to tame it again using my hair oil. Siguro pag nire-retouch ko siya, it's another topic. How do I retouch my hair? So, pag nire-retouch ko siya, konting coconut oil na lang kasi syempre nilagay ko na siya the day before. And also, yung hair oil ng Watsons, which if you haven't seen my hair care routine, please click the video here. Ayan. So please make sure to check out that video first before, of course, you go through this video para makarelate kayo. So, ayun. That is how I sleep with my hair and also how I retouch. Basically, sobrang dali lang na routine ko, guys. Nothing so special. Kasi nga, I went through CGM na sobrang daming steps, and also yung dati kong hair routine na sobrang daming steps na din. And of course, you know, I want it to be simplified na lang and madaling sundan din when I share it with you guys. Another frequently asked question do sa video ko, sa hair routine video ko, is where did I get my stuff? So, please check out the description box dun sa hair routine video ko kasi nilink ko sila lahat doon. And yes, lahat sila available sa Watsons, yung coconut oil, yung hair oil, even the hairbrush, even yung hair dryer ko, it's from Watsons. So, nilink ko sila lahat dun sa video na yun. So, please check them out. Meron dito, how about coarse flyaway hair strands around the crown area, which is dito. Ayan. So what I can say is yung nag-cause siguro nun is yung hair breakage. So syempre magbe-break sila somewhere here and maikli na lang sila. So ang tendency is mag-fly away sila dito. Para sa akin, yung tips ko for hair breakage is to be careful when combing your hair when it's wet kasi nga it's so fragile at that state. Avoid, as much as possible, avoid using scrunchies. As I have mentioned before, I am using this, yung hair clamp, and it does wonders for me. Nalasin talaga yung hair breakage niya. Basta, ang dami ko na sinabi dun sa video na yun eh. Be careful when shampooing and also conditioning your hair in the shower kasi it will be a factor with hair breakage. So, make sure to watch that video din kasi in-explain ko na din siya doon. Another question na sobrang tinanong dun sa video ko kasi since I used a hair dryer to dry my hair dun sa video ko, ang dami nagtanong if it's okay to air dry. And the answer is of course it's okay. It's okay to air dry. It's okay to use the electric fan. Okay lang siya, guys. Don't overthink. Yun yung siguro isa pa sa tip na mabibigay ko, it's just don't overthink. Mahanap nyo rin yung hair routine na para sa inyo. It's just all about experimenting and, just having the confidence to try new things. But yes, you can definitely air dry and use the electric fan if you want to. Para sa akin, that makes my hair more defined. Yung curls niya, mas defined siya pag ganun, especially when I air dry. You can just try that and, experiment and sana maging okay siya sa inyo. So, you can just air dry, electric fan, or hair dryer. Kayo bahala. So, another question is, okay lang ba magtali ng buhok using ponytails, hair clips, or hair buns? Definitely okay lang. Minsan, I put my hair up like this and use my shock, ganyan. And, experiment with different hairstyles and everything. So, it's definitely up to you guys. Just make sure na hindi siya harsh sa hair nyo. Ako, like I said, I personally stayed away from scrunchies, hair buns, tight ponytails, and ganyan. Kasi nga, una, masakit siya sa ulo kasi I have really thick hair. Like, I really have thick hair. So, a tendency niya is napupul niya yung hair ko and masakit sa anit. And eventually, throughout the day, masakit na siya sa ulo. So, I tend to stay away from that. And, ewan ko, ito talaga, guys. I will link this down below. Pinakita ko na siya sa iba't ibang video ko, guys. And buhay pa sila. All the 4 shocks that I bought, buhay pa sila. So, I definitely recommend this. Sobra. If you want to change up your hair care routine, definitely start with this one. 40 pesos, 45 pesos lang siya, guys. So, yeah. So, another question that I have received is, kung ikaw po tatanungin ko, magpapariban po ba ako or ito na lang gagawin ko? Ako, personally, kung makikinig ka sa akin, is to try out this routine first or kung yung ginagawa kong routine does not work for you, you can try out, syempre, yung CGM or curly girl method. May video na din ako dyan and you can check out hundreds and thousands of videos here on YouTube. Pero ang masasabi ko sa'yo is try out this one first kasi syempre, yung rebond is medyo permanent siya, diba? Syempre, yung pinarebond yung hair, forever straight na siya, and then pag tumubo, kulot na naman. So, it's such a commitment, and also medyo expensive siya. So, para sa akin, magkano lang yung coconut oil, magkano lang yung hair oil na sinuggest ko, compared sa hair rebond na medyo thousands of pesos pa yung abutin mo. Try out my coconut oil method muna. And then, let's see kung magustuhan mo or hindi. And then, you can switch to CGM. Or kung gusto mo talaga ng straight hair, ng talagang less maintenance, and if you have the budget for it, go, magpa-rebond ka. Pero, make sure to i-ready mo yung sarili mo with that commitment. So, meron pang tanong dito is, how about yung oil? Nagtatransfer po ba siya sa una nyo pag natutulog? Medyo, like, konti. Pero yung sobrang hint lang talaga ng amoy ng coconut oil. And, hindi naman nagrereklamo yung husband ko. Hindi naman din ako nagrereklamo. And also, we change our bed sheets and punda regularly. It's good for your skin, I promise. Pag medyo nagkakaroon ako ng pimple, nisip ko that is the time to change my sheets. So, we change our sheets in about 1 or 2 weeks. So, every 1 or 2 weeks, nagpapalit na kami ng punda. And last but definitely not the least, the question is, can you put the coconut oil or the hair oil on wet hair? My answer is yes, definitely you can do that. Pero, para sa akin kasi, mas natatansya ko yung dami ng oil when my hair is semi-dry or completely dry. Yun lang yung masasabi ko kasi syempre pag wet siya, parang hindi mo natatansya kung napaparami na ba or what. Pero syempre ayaw mo ng sobrang daming coconut oil or hair oil sa ulo mo, no? Pero what you can do is mag-air dry ka muna, wait for a couple of minutes or tumapat ka sa electric fan and wait for your ends to dry or kahit siguro mga 80% dry, ganyan. And then you can put your hair oil and stuff. So, yun. And also pala, I will link this down below. It's another tip that I can give you. Kasi, papakita ko sa inyo yung picture. Etong front pieces na to. So, pag nagiging sobrang curly siya. So, I can recommend this to you. Parang 100 pesos lang siya. And you can just use it sa front ng bangs mo. I mean, sa bangs mo. Ayan. So, it will just frame your hair better. Leaving the rest curly. Pero ito, parang napa-frame lang siya yung face mo. Ayan. So, yeah. Ililikot lang to down below. Naisip ko lang. Pero, I would definitely recommend this one. Best 100 pesos purchase ever. So, yun lang guys. That is it for today. Sana na-answer ko yung mga questions nyo. And also, may mga natutunan din kayo. Lagi ko sinasabi sa videos ko na hopefully may natutunan kayo and, you know, nakatulong ako. And siguro, ang masasabi ko lang is just don't overthink sa hair nyo. You can definitely try new routines, new product. The first step siguro sa hair routine ko is just to accept your hair. Ako, as you can see, it's not in its best state, pero hinahayaan ko lang siya. Tomorrow pag naligo ko, I'm just hoping na mas okay siya. Mas curlier, ganyan. So, wala lang. Nasa nagdadala yan. Ayan, nasa nagdadala yan. So, yun na guys. That is it for my video. Inaatake na ako ng allergies. And that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!